Hi everyone, James Blacklaw's JB Commercial Finance. It is Tuesday, the 7th of March. Excuse me for being a bit snuffly, I'm not feeling hugely great. But I want to do a video today about what happens when you have an application declined by a lender. So this is referring to an instance where a client, a business customer, goes straight to a lender, be it a high street bank or similar. What happens then? And some interesting, for me anyway, research came out today from the NACFB, National Association of Commercial Finance Brokers, which I'm a member of, saying that 40% of NACFB patrons, that's the lenders themselves, do not have a formal referral system in place for those direct inquiries they have declined. So what that means is that 40% of applications that are turned, or 40% of lenders who deal with applications, if they turn down an application, basically it's then just the case of, right, can't help you, see you later. 30% of lenders refer the potential business borrowing to a broker, like myself, and 8% to another lender. I'm not sure what the rest of them is all about, but that doesn't add up to 100 to me. But there you go. But certainly significant amount of people who go to their own bank or to go to another lender, alternatively they're turned down, then it's the end of the road. And that's really not something I like. It's not something I consider massively acceptable. Certainly when I meet with any of the local bank managers, the high street banks, who do turn an awful lot of applications down because people go to their bank first, or they see the advertising and go there. And I love to deal with the clients that they can't help, because if they can't help someone, chances are someone else can. And certainly it's something I've pushed with local bank managers with varying degrees of success, I have to say. But I know that a majority of people who go to the bank and are told, sorry, we can't help you, are then basically left out on their own to start again. Because quite often they contact someone like myself, which is great. But wouldn't it be a lot easier if instead of having to search via Google or go to their accountant or something similar, they were actually told by the bank, we can't help you for ABC reasons, but there's a whole world out there. Would you like to talk to someone who might be able to help you? And you know what? The client can say yes, no, or maybe. It's entirely up to them. To me, the world would be a better place if that happens. So, to me, I'd love to get that 40% down to zero. I'd love to have all lenders refer either to someone like myself or to other lenders. And there's a little bit of that going on now. Certainly when some of the banks reject someone, occasionally it'll say, at the bottom, you might want to talk to these people. But in all honesty, that's for smaller stuff and it's generally the exception rather than the rule. Certainly that's not something that's being done by face-to-face bank managers. So I'm after basically talking to anyone who has been turned down by their bank. If you've been to your bank for an overdraft, a loan or a commercial mortgage or anything like that, and they've turned around and said, no, we can't help you and you're on your own now, then come and talk to a broker like myself. We're whole of market, we're generally fully independent, we're generally able to help you and give you a consultation to let you know what might be available completely free of charge. If someone does charge you up front, I suggest you probably walk away, but that's entirely your choice. And see what's available. So this is a little bit of interesting insight there. That pretty much fits in though with what I see on a day-to-day basis with regard to declined applications. Hope that helps some people. Have a blessed day, everybody.